Nails have been done as well as shaping and buffing. Use the activator generously and wait 1 minute. Do the first layer of top coat in thin layer and quickly. This one seals the product. Use the top coat again, and dip into the clear top powder very quickly. Tap off the excess powder. Do it nail by nail. Brush off the excess powder with a makeup brush. Wait about 1 minute to let it dry. Apply 1 layer of activator and it's done. This is the matte look you get by using this method.